So they call this the Gladstone area. That's what the lady told me it's called. So I'm gonna get a little bit of footage, just because it's all Frisbee and Frank. So if you see right here, it says Gladstone Savannah. It looks like it says that's a neighborhood preserve. Now it looks like there's a little trail. Now remember, before they give you a little piece of land out here, you see that people got their trampolines in their gardens and everything. They call it the Gladstone area. You see my man over here. Oh, that's a woman. Oops. She up there gardening. You know, white population, Asian population. I think I've seen a sister. Now Atlantic is to the right, but this is Frisbee. Some of the houses look kind of cool. They got a preserve over here, so it's quiet generally. I don't know that this is the first time I came back here. I'm familiar with the area, but I've never been back in these parts, you know. So it's off English and Frisbee. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bust a right, just because the English Manors are over here. The number 64 runs here. This is Ripley Avenue. Some of the blocks look a little different, Ripley and English. I may have to do a little research on this before I post it, before I just throw it up there. I was just gonna throw it up there, but yeah, I'm gonna probably do maybe about two or three more, man. I'll take it in, man. My website went down for some domain stuff, so I'm gonna put it'll be right back up. So if y'all want to grab some books and stuff like that, you can, or you just go straight to Amazon. Oh, so it brings me into Payne Phelan. Okay, so this is gonna bring me into the Phelan neighborhood, Payne and Phelan. So what do I want to do? Take a left or a right? Let's bust a right. Payne Phelan is right here. So let's just bust a right and see where this brings me. It's probably gonna bring me to this Larpenteur right here. You see the houses, they don't look like too much. This neighborhood right here, I think, is a little quiet. Larpenteur and Atlantic. If I gotta turn around, I'll turn around, because it's probably gonna bring me. Okay, this must be the end of Larpenteur. So I'm gonna bust a Huey in a second on Frank. Yeah, this brings me by the lake. This is by the lake. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna bust a quick little Huey Dewey. A little Huey P. Dewey. Little U-turn. I call it a Huey P. Dewey. Do a little U-turn here and just go all the way back down towards the greater east side. This is the east side right here. The Lake Phelan is behind me. It's a nice lake. I went around there once. I'll do a deep dive at one point one day, and I'll go through the blocks. The houses might be a little bit more money over there because you are by a lake. And there is some houses. Anytime there's houses around a lake, man, they gonna be halfway decent. They're gonna be halfway decent. But you see the sign, Payne Phelan neighborhood. So we'll just go back towards what they call the greater east side. Now I'm passing up Clarence. Somebody in a very ever so trusty Dodge Durango. I never drove a Durango before. I don't know why I didn't buy one. Maybe they were too common. I don't know. So I'll probably get a hit pretty soon going back to this white bear. Yeah, when I dropped them, when I dropped, man, I dropped those I dropped that dog food off to her, and it was I knew it. I was in that Hy-Vee grabbing the stuff, and I said, yeah, she probably grabbing this for her dog. Like all the little stuff that seemed like it was doggy snacks, but it was human food. And when I ain't even of course I ain't gonna step in the house, but just standing outside, I hit the ring bell. The ring bell ain't working. I'm like, it looked like some more Resident Evil biohazard to a certain degree. Off to the right is Prosperity. So yeah, we just gonna keep on going. I've always liked this, how the school looks, the architecture of this school. Anyway, I try to ring that doorbell, it ain't work, so I knock on the door a little bit. I just left the stuff on there, and then I said, what neighborhood is this? She said, it's the Gladstone neighborhood. But you could, through the door, you could smell that dog. Like it was just dog piss funk kind of, oh man, it was rough. It was rough, man. Oh man, it was rough. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a little editing. So I'm just gonna pull up in the Pizza Hut until I get a ding, because I know I will. I'm just gonna pull up in the Pizza Hut right here until I get a ding, and I'm just gonna park here because I know I will get a ding while I'm editing. Somebody gonna want a pizza. So we on White Bear by the Pizza Hut. I wanted to see if I get that deer. Yeah, there's a lot of them out here. He's a nice size too. It's a little baby. Yeah. Yeah, that's what they do. He going to hide. I don't trust you niggas. Yeah, I see him right there. He's hiding.